Hi, and welcome to today's lesson, biologists. Today's learning objectives are to be able to describe natural selection. I'd like most of you to be able to describe evolution as the change in adaptive features over time. Defining the process of adaptation is a slightly more challenging topic for you, so I definitely hope that some of you will at least be able to do that. And if you are actually finding that everything is really easy, I'd like you to be able to create a report on the Linnaean system of classification, which is a system of species classification based upon the characteristics of organisms that are attributed to change over time according to Darwin's theory of evolution. So for your first activity, what I would like you to do is I would like you to go through each of the games that I have placed links on this slide. So all you need to do is you'll just need to be able to copy. So I'm just going to do that right now. So you take each link and then place it into your browser, let it load up, and once that has loaded up, just click on the game. That should load up straight away, and you can blow it up so it's full screen. And you'll be able to play each game. So I'm just going to take you through what to do with this one. So it says Darwin noticed that finches on the Galapagos Islands have evolved with different shaped beaks depending on their environment. Can you match the beak to the food? So you just click on play and it says who will be able to eat the cactus. So you can see that the cactus has lots of spikes on it. So you've got to be able to choose a finch. You can choose Bob, and Bob's got a beak that's shaped like this. It's very curvy. And you've got Sid, who's got a very pointy beak. And Sid is holding a stick. That might be able to give you a little bit of a hint as to what Sid may be able to eat. And finally, you've got Joe as well. So I'm just going to click on Joe just to show you how to play the game. So Joe has a grasping bill. Now, will he be able to eat the cactus? Now, if you want to change your mind, you could change your mind and you can click on a different bird. So Sid has a probing bill and uses twigs as tools. Now, if you think that that is an advantage for Sid, when it comes to being able to eat the cactus, you can choose Sid. Or if you think Bob and his crushing bill will be able to eat the cactus, you can click Bob. So we've got Bob, which has got a crushing bill. Sid's got a probing bill and uses twigs as tools. Joe has a grasping bill. So will he be able to eat the cactus? So let's give Joe a try and see whether it works. Now, as you can tell, Joe's grasping bill is not a bill that will actually work. So you'll be able to choose now between Bob and Sid. So let's try Bob and see whether he's able to eat the cactus. Now, unfortunately, Bob is not able to eat the cactus. His bill is more suited to eating and crushing seeds. That just leaves Sid. Let's see if he's able to eat the cactus. Well done. Right, so Sid's probing bill is perfect for getting fruit off the cactus. He has adapted his technique, and what he's done is he's used twigs as tools to make it easier. So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to go through the rest of this presentation with the three birds. And once you've finished the first presentation, you can then go through the other presentations, the other three, and see what you can learn about adaptations. Thank you for watching.